mapa LA, mapa Pilipinas.
I always love coming to Denny's.
Dapat mag-sponsor na yun.
Dapat sponsor na ng Dennis itong vlog na to para Dennis.
Nananawagan kami sa Dennis. Sponsor nyo naman kami. Kami napaka-loyal. Kahit tinas. Dinagaya na.
Backhand na be.
The menu is meant for the Filipino taste. Ayan adobo, danggit, tapa, tocino. Lagpas midnight na. Ito na lang bukas sa Eastwood. Denny's. Pero Filipino food. Panalo na para sa amin to. Itong unika iha ko talaga. Ayaw magpahalata na masama na ang pakiramdam. Meron silang item na wala sa Amerika.
Titigman natin ang Sans Rival dito sa Dennis. First time ko makakatikim ng Sans Rival sa Dennis.
Mango Sans Rival.
May kasamang coffee.
Salamat, Carlo. Salamat talaga sa staff nitong Dennis dito sa Eastwood.
Oh, thank you, Omar.
Eto na,
Yes.
kilatisin natin to.
Ang ating coffee.
Siyempre black para yung tamis ng Sans Rival ang magbibigay sarap at tamis dito sa kombinasyon nating to. Kita nyo, layers talaga yan ng mango at may walnuts. Siyempre pagkatapos ng dessert yung main course, danggit, tapa, adobo, itlog. Hindi ako nagra-rice pero carry pa rin. Ang comment ko lang, yung timpla nila is may abang para sa rice kasi maalat pag kinain mo on its own. Pero highly recommended, guys.
Tama yung pagkaalat. Masarap. Maalat.
Yeah, I'm moving at the speed of sound. I got both hands off the wheel.
This is the 10 freeway. We are westbound toward Los Angeles International Airport. It's going to be a trip to the Philippines, one without expectation, only hope. The 405. Traffic awaits. Para tong EDSA, only 10 times bigger. The trip to the airport took about an hour and a half.
And then married with children. Love and marriage. Those are like the night. I know.
So here's the deal. Jaja was making Sharon feel comfortable because look at that smile. Don't let it fool you. Behind that smile is a sad heart because she's not coming with us. It's only me, Miss Jaja, Cassie.
You didn't even watch Friends.
Oh, really?
No. So I don't know anything about Friends. I know that they're friends.
Yeah.
They all dated each other, but it's like Dawson's Creek. They all dated each other.
Dawson's Creek is better.
And of course, si Sweetie, which is, by the way, kaya kung ano-ano pinag-uusapan namin because we didn't want to address the elephant in the room.
Marisa, ganyan pala. Aww. Oh, Eva Air is here na.
Yeah, it's right there na.
Naku, goodbye na.
It's right there.
Naku, sad na si Sweetie Sharon.
Yeah.
It goes by so fast.
Pero nakakabwisit, di ba? Christmas and New Year yung 2 weeks.
Who naman?
I know.
Don't make her feel like
Sharon save the money.
Paano ba naman may balak pang umuwi?
Save the money for marriage, okay?
Hindi ko in-expect yung banat na yun Mukhang masama yata pakiramdam namin dalawa ni Cassidy
Ang bag niyo may gulong. Para maganda eh. Kasi dadalhin mo rin naman, di ba? Pwede mo namang ipasok sa
Yup.
akin, di ba? This wheeled siya, may gulong.
Ganon din yung kausap ko, hindi mo alam kung ano pinagsasabi niya because malungkot din siya dahil iniwanan din niya yung kanyang sweetie. Ito naman mga girls ko, talagang super relaxed. Wala lang, chill lang. I'm very excited to go back to the Philippines because this will be my first Christmas and New Year after 20 years.
Gagawa si Emil na sinigang.
Ayos.
Na baka.
Hey, but you have to check into your no?
Condo. Nag-rent kami ng Airbnb condo sa Eastwood.
Can't wait to eat sinigang.
So kami ni Cassie, si Jaja, lahat kami mahilig kami sa sinigang and si Emilia, my sister, nagluto.
We're gonna eat casino at Denny's.
Yeah.
Ayun pa, tusino sa Dennis.
Buti na lang nakita ni JJ na yung mga gear namin 120, 110, 240 nga pala sa Pilipinas. Something to consider yun.
Kasim, sama na pakiramdam mo.
Hi! Hi! My daughter, the troll.
Alam ko she's just trying to put up a brave face. Eva Air, ito yung airline na pinili namin because kahit economy, spacious. Tapos, masarap yung food, nothing against other airlines. Kaya lang yung experience namin dito solid. Going home to the Philippines for me is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. Forrest Gump pala yun. Pero ganun din ang pakiramdam ko eh. Hindi mo alam kung sino ang may time sa'yo, kung anong mapupuntahan mo na, wow, hindi ganito yung perspective ko dati. It's always refreshing to go back home to the Philippines. Ika nga, it's more fun. So, paland na kami in a bit. Medyo freshen up muna tayo. It has been 12 hours. Almost. Dating namin eksakto dinner sa airport.
Stopover sa Taiwan. Loading na ulit. Boarding, loading. Tao pala ako. Naka 20 minutes na kami rito sa baggage claim. Wala pa rin. Pero at this point, trivial na lang. Kasi, ano yun, hindi ito ang pwedeng mag-cause ng stress. Bakasyon ito. Yun nga lang, smooth sailing sana. Pero,
Darating din yung bagahe. Kahit ang haba na ng monologue ko. Oh yes, iba talaga ang pakiramdam, simoy ng hangin,
You have to hold my hand, Cassie.
yung bato ng init. Oh,
Oh, I'm not full. Say hi.
kakaiba talaga.
Hey, bebe.
Wala na akong hihilingin pa.
Jacket talaga.
Ano ka? Sa ilalim nito, nabasa na kilikili ko. Kadiri.
Mahulog yan.
Pines mo yan, Pines. Saan ba, Jake?
Ha?
Gawin. Thank you, Daddy Pancho, for picking us up. Ayan ang kanyang talagang love na love tayo ng Tito Pancho.
Wow, Chideng. Pero hindi kasama si Pancho Gonzales. Kasi busy yung tao. Siya ang manager ni Bamboo. Meron silang setup for Christmas. Meron silang setup kung saan-saan. Kaya shout out kay Gigi, ang kanyang driver who actually picked us up. At eto na ang sinasabi kong traffic. 11:37 ng gabi, guys. EDSA. Oh, I missed you. Well, since traffic naman, I'll take this opportunity to let you guys know na 87% sa inyo na nanonood ng ating vlog hindi pa nakasubscribe. It would be nice, pamaskon nyo na sa amin na mag-like kayo, subscribe, hit that bell icon para the next time we post videos, you're always notified. Sa wakas, Eastwood. Kayo, anong mas type nyo? BGC, Eastwood? Ako kasi, ang naisip ko lang, pag BGC, magaganda lahat ng pupuntahan pero kailangan mong maglakad ng malayo o sumakay ng Grab. Dito sa Eastwood, pagbaba mo, andun na lahat. Konting tumbling, may pupuntahan ka na kagad. At nasa baba ng condo namin yung paborito kong puntahan, which is Denny's. Mapa-Amerika, mapa-Pilipinas, ewan ko ba?
Voices singing,
Finally here.
bells are ringing. The seasons are changing today. Winds are
Basta,
Trees are lighting
Merry Christmas sa inyo dalawa.
happy laughter. Shed those tears. We don't have to show fear. It's Christmas time in Manila. There's that feeling in the air. A time for giving, a love with meaning. I think it would be best for us to share. It's Christmas time in Manila. 'Cause there's that feeling in the air. A time for giving, a love with meaning. I think it would be best for us to share. It's Christmas time in Manila.
Punta ng Pilipinas, Dennis din pa ng baksak. Good night.